Moving on to the sleeves now. First thing is to cast off one of the sides of the sleeve, doesn't matter which one. The other side I will cast off at the same time when I will attach it to the body. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a puffy sleeve, so I will create some pleats in order to do that. I will pin the pleats across. I'm using measuring tape to make sure that the size is right. You might have to do a few trials, I did as well. It is easy to calculate this. Some linkers have centimeters and stitches on them, some linkers don't, so you might need to use a measuring tape to measure how many centimeters is the trim depending on how many stitches it is. For example, mine was 80 stitches, and that is about 24 centimeters on my linker. So when I pinned, I tried to stay within 24 centimeters. I did this a few times until I got it right. The right side of the sleeve is facing me. I will start with the edges and then I will make sure to put it on the linker as even as possible. This is how it should look at the end. Just try to catch as little as possible from the edge so it's not bulky. The next step is to add the rib. The cast on part, it will be up, and I will make sure that every stitch goes on the pegs. That's why you want to have the right side of the sleeve facing you. When linking, we don't want to have the chain stitch on the right side but on the wrong side. If you are able to invest in a linker, it's great to have one. I got my one recently and it's just so useful and you can do so many things with it. I just wish I had it sooner.